Adı Dermeye Sokak'ta oynayacağız. Biz bugün çeyrek maç oynayacağız. Yani son maç. Biz kupa kazanacağız bu oyunda ve oynaya başlayırıq. Başlayırıq. Ve başladı.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Isco, great tackle. The team swap possession again. Close. They have the ball again. Now this could be costly. He did really well there. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Rodriguez. Modric. Shoots. The keeper's blocked that one. Let's see what comes of this now. Good defending. The team swap possession again. It's the upright. Busquets in possession. Piqué. That's away. Here's Varane. Close. Busquets in tackle. Oh, that was close. Good effort, but we did really well there. The defender.
Ve bu anda Alexis Sanchez hesabı açtı.
To add more to his tally now. That goal's been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match. Wonder what that goal will do to the script of this drama. Now, Isco, we did really well there. And tackled well by Varane. Rodriguez. Marcelo. Modric. Throw in taken short. And he's well offside. They won it back. Rakitic. That's a fantastic goal. He drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. The goalkeeper. It's 2-0. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal is going to affect this game. Now, Isco. Oh, he takes the ball cleanly. Vidal. It's with the striker. What a save by Navas. Vidal. Great tackle. They're appealing, but he's no doubt. That's a penalty.
Marcelo'ya da sarı beraber vermeyi lazım.
It's a yellow card. No
Böyle
arguments
de
there from the player.
Böyle de oldu.
First player to end up.
Seyirciler.
Can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Striker, never in doubt. Expertly taken penalty. He may look a bit nervous on the goals are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with that. A great first half here. Some fantastic goals, some positive words from the manager, and we'll be back after the break. Well, let's see if the losing side can conjure something special up. They have a mountain to climb here. With a full 45 minutes to play, and anything can happen. Played back to the goalkeeper. Let's see. Got to feel sorry for a player there. Well, they're few and far between these days, but this own goal here, he was unlucky there, and the manager won't be best pleased. But these things happen in football. Played back to the goalkeeper. Got to feel sorry for a player there. Well, they're few and far between these days, but this own goal here is he was unlucky there, and the manager won't be best pleased. But these things happen in football. It's with the striker. Back to the keeper, and that's gone out for a corner. Let's see what comes of this then. Oh, that's a really dangerous cross. This team are always dangerous from corner kicks. Oh, this nice finish. He's put them back into it. Great headed goal there. He really got behind that one and gave the goalkeeper, and it's level. Determined work from the player and his team to get them back into the game. Here's Varane. Great tackle. Shoots. What a save by Navas. Good clearance. He really got behind that. Good ball.
Neymar.
Got to admire skill like that. What a fantastic It's 4-3. Isco doing it really well there. He's won the ball back again. Long shot, good save by the goalkeeper. This is ambitious. I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. Safety first. Back to the goalkeeper. Got to feel sorry.
Second players was not there to put the ball into your own net. He'll hate seeing a replay.
Özgür Faniye, Özgür Faniye.
Always sad to see a player put the ball in his own net.
Probably hoping to make it up to his team now. Great tackle. Striker's ball. Vidal. And he shoots. And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal. So we're off again here. Great tackle. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. The manager will be really pleased with finishing like that. He'll do wonders for his confidence too. The defender's back on the ball. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, well intercepted. Sends it long. Safety first. Back to the goalkeeper. Iniesta. Back to the keeper. Mascherano. Back to the goalkeeper. He's found the back of the net. Surely that will go down as an own goal. He'll hate seeing a replay of this one. He was unlucky there. The manager won't be best pleased. But these things happen in football. The referee gets the game back underway.
He'll hate seeing a replay of this one.
What on earth was he doing? He was unlucky there, and the manager won't be best. That's full time. We're all square. On to extra time and possibly penalties. Still a lot to play for here. Both teams want to avoid a penalty shootout. So let's hope for a few goals. Now, Isco. Oh, he takes the ball cleanly. PK. Safety first. Back to the goalkeeper. Mascherano. And back to the keeper. PK. Iniesta. Let's see what comes of this now. Shoots. Ter Stegen. Great save. Mascherano with a clearance. Lovely passing here. To find a winner. Back to the goalkeeper. Iniesta. And back to the keeper. Vidal. Mascherano. Oh, great tackle. Vidal. Great tackle. Mascherano. Safety first. Back to the goalkeeper. Iniesta. Turan. Played back to the goalkeeper. It's with the striker. And the match
Will now be decided by penalties. Join us after the break to see which team comes out on top. You can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. The goalkeeper with no chance. Which way is he going to put it? Left the goalkeeper with no chance. Can he finish it? Left the goalkeeper with no chance. So, which way is he going to put it? Oh, well taken penalty. What will he do here? Power or placement? Good penalty. So much pressure. Well taken penalty. Can he is he going to put it? And they score from the penalty spot. So much pressure. What an effort! A real captain's performance today. Exactly what the manager wanted.
Arsenal. Ve ben yarın oyunu Arsenal oynayacağım ve size sağ olun değilim.